6 reasons why real estate is the best investment. Number 1, appreciation. When you buy a piece of real estate and you wait, you can rest assured that over the long term, it's going to be worth more than what you paid for it. Even folks who bought right before the crash in 2008, if I just held onto the property and wrote it out, a lot of those values are double what it was when they paid for it. When I buy a house and I get a 30-year loan, I know that in 30 years, it'll be worth a crazy amount more than what I got it for. Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait, and the values will rise. Now, the second reason that real estate is the best investment is tax write-offs. When you own real estate, you can depreciate the property, which basically means you can take a percentage of the purchase price and write it off over 27.5 years. Depreciation is a phenomenal phantom expense because it's not really costing you anything, but on tax purposes, you can deduct it from your overall income. In my small operation, I have 6-figure tax write-offs, meaning that every single year, over $100,000 is still in my pocket that's just extra money because I didn't have to pay taxes. Now, the third reason that real estate is the best investment is cash flow. You can buy securities like stocks and bonds, but not all of them pay dividends. When most people buy stocks, they're really just counting on the gain, meaning that if they buy a stock for $100, they're hoping that later on somebody else will be willing to spend more than $100 for that same share. Now, of course, you get the appreciation with real estate as well, but it also produces a monthly cash flow. Just looking at the 6 house hacks that I currently have, it brings in about $40,000 per month in rent, and right now, right around $15,000 per month is pure cash flow. The cash flow from real estate can replace a 9-to-5 job, which can free up your time to travel or do whatever it is that you're passionate about. Now, piggybacking off of cash flow, the fourth reason that real estate is the best investment is that it can be passive. If you buy an apartment building and you hire a property manager to do everything, to do the showings, to find tenants, to fix anything that's broken, any maintenance requests, all that means is you sit back and you just collect a check every month. There aren't a whole lot of businesses that can be completely passive, but real estate is one of them. Now, the fifth reason that real estate is the best investment is you actually have control over the asset. So if you go buy Tesla stock or if you go buy Apple stock, you have no control over how Apple is run or how Tesla is run. The CEOs of these companies, they can do certain things that will affect the stock price. Whether it's positive or negative, some third party is essentially impacting the value of your investment. With real estate, you have so much control because you can go fix up a property to make it more valuable. Or if you have a single family home and it's on a pretty big lot, you can go build a mother-in-law cottage in the backyard and you can have that on Airbnb or just a regular rental as well. All of my houses have been rented out by the bedroom, which means I get 2 to 3 times market rent. With real estate, you have so much more control versus buying stock of a company. Now, the sixth reason that real estate is the best investment is it has a ton of options. You can buy houses subject to, meaning you just take over the existing loan. You can buy houses on a land contract. You can flip properties. You can wholesale. You can rent them out in a traditional way. You can rent them out by the bedroom. You can put them on Airbnb. There are so many ways to make money in real estate. My goal this year is to make $2 million, and the vast majority of that will be from my real estate business. But it's not just renting out houses. It's renting them out by the bedroom. It's doing deals off market, potentially brokering some wholesale deals. There's so many things that all of you can do with real estate, and I highly recommend that each and every one of you buys a property at some point if you haven't already. You can start by house hacking. That's how I started, and it opens up so many more options for you in the future. I hope this video is helpful to you, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace.